Good morning. I am back with your reader, the stubborn mule. Today's story's name is The Smell of Soup, Part 1. By the end of this lesson, students would be able to understand the story and attempt the questions. Let's start the story, The Smell of Soup. One day, a beggar found a piece of bread. He had nothing to put on it. How can I eat this dry bread? He thought. I wish I had some nice soup to eat it with. The beggar went to a restaurant. The owner told him to go away. The beggar went to the back of the restaurant. He looked in the kitchen. There he saw a large pot of soup on the stove. Steam was rising from the pot. It smelled good. The beggar held his piece of bread over the steaming pot. The steam smells wonderful, said the beggar to himself. The steam will make my bread sweet. Just then the owner came in. Why are you stealing my soup? Shouted the owner. I'm not stealing your soup, said the beggar. I was only smelling the steam. The owner caught hold of the beggar's arm. Is that so? He shouted. Then you must pay for the smell. Surprised that questions are on the screen? The story was big, so I decided to read it in two parts. Now you have to answer the questions about part 1. Who found the piece of bread? Where did the beggar went? What do you think would be happen with the beggar? Send your work at fsabine06@gmail.com.